So there is a very great chance that these things could be happening on our planet and we're not even aware of it. Okay, because there is a very high chance that those aliens or those extraterrestrial species are very smart, okay, and they are better than us, so we are not able to detect them. So this is like one of the phenomena, one of the reasons how our humanity can possibly end. The second point that I have thought of is going to be an asteroid hitting us, maybe. You know very well that 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs, they were actually gone because of this very phenomena that asteroid sort of hit them. But again, we are not having a true source to actually believe in it, okay? But there's a high chance this would have happened because there was some fossil or some different sort of proofs that said otherwise. So I don't know whether that's true or not, but there could be a possibility that you have some really big entity coming up and then hitting our planet Earth, and then everything will be destroyed. Of course, it can happen. Now that is a very direct phenomena that it will happen in only a few seconds, and then everything will be ruined. Okay. And then the third thing that I have personally thought of is that we humans ourselves will ruin our planet. Okay, and a lot of people say that now we have ruined our planet Earth and now we are heading to Mars, and now we will like build our homes and everything in Mars, and then we're going to ruin Mars as well. So we need to understand that if some civilization is living in some planet, so of course they will consume energy. Okay, they will consume the resources. You cannot restrict that, and if the moment you restrict that, whatever species are living in that planet will be lost. So I don't think so that you should actually hate yourself for that. Okay, of course you're saving electricity, of course you're saving water, but there will be a point when everything will be over, and we humans we need to think of an idea that how we can save our species, because why not? So that's why we are locating ourselves to Mars, and I don't think that there's anything wrong with it. A lot of people, they despise this and they say that why are we ruining some other planet? Okay, but I don't think so this is actually ruining. I mean, I love my species, so why not? I want to protect it. So definitely. Now the fourth possible phenomena that which can happen, according to my thinking, is going to be like sun exploding. you know now that can definitely happen. Let's say that your sun, the distance between the sun and your planet Earth is a very nice distance. It's one of those idealistic distances that you are in, okay, very well. But let's say there's a phenomena where the sun itself will explode. Now that will emit a very great level of radiation everywhere. Okay, and if that is going to happen, you can definitely tell everything will be ruined very well, right? Because you know very well that radiations are something which is very harmful. Like one of the harmful things that you can possibly think of are definitely radiations. I'll definitely count them on. They're very harmful, and the radiations coming from sun, we feel that every second, okay, of our lives, except the night time. Some of them still do exist at the night time also, but you know very well that our planet, our atmosphere, they definitely have the protection layer of ozone layer and all that. We do have some other gases also which are protecting us from those radiations. So we are getting only a minor form of those radiations, and the form is very mild, so it is not powerful enough to actually destroy us. Yeah, so these are some of the phenomena which can possibly occur, which can ruin the humanity. Of course it can happen. The most like the favorite one that I have out of all was definitely the alien invasion. Because it sounds very intimidating, and like if you just think of it, it sounds quite nice. What will happen? Of course it sounds quite nice, but when it will actually happen someday, I don't know, like maybe it will happen someday, so it will definitely be not very nice of them, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye.